Hello, hello, hello. This is Attorney Mike Garland coming to you from Chicago. As usual, I sneak attacked you. I sneak attacked you because I got to sneak this in before my hearing. I got to put a shirt on and everything. But it was too fun. It's a quickie. We're gonna go to 3B, and we're also gonna go to the 36D and see one honorable Lanice Bryant. It's good stuff. Let's do it, shall we?
That doesn't sound right, but okay. Let me stay in my lane and in my business.
This is good. Everybody sent it to me. Thank you all.
All right, we return to the matter of Michael Dowling. He does have another case in Kalamazoo coming up in January. We did try to confirm his employment. Mr. Frazine, what were you able to determine?
Well, I think it summarizes what I was saying earlier. Plant 19 is in Vietnam. I called Plant 8 is in Vicksburg and Plant 3 is in Sturgis. He was employed with the Plant 3 in Sturgis. He was terminated back in 2022. He no longer works for Summit Polymers.
Yeah, that's after Kalamazoo, Plant 18, Pavilion Plant. You called Vicksburg and you called Sturgis.
I called, she had access to all of them. She checked them all for me.
As you'll see, this is a problem.
That's what she told me. And I asked her about Kalamazoo. And she said he was terminated back in 2022.
That's after Rachel died. I'd quit work. I'd just gone back to work. I've been working for the last 2 months. Can I have my phone? I can show you my payment check stub thing.
Give us the number. If you're not working at Summit Polymers, I'm going to give you 365 days in jail. Peeing on my leg and telling you it's raining ain't helping. So,
yeah, she told me she had to log in to check them all to make sure she checked them all, and she said he's not employed with Summit Polymers. She put me on hold for a minute so she could double check that.
So you contend you're working at Plant 18, the Pavilion Plant in Kalamazoo?
No, how about that? Nope.
How about that?
I had been working there and I got put on layoff. I'll supposed to go back summer. Yeah.
It's the same.
Oh, oops. Oh, so you're stone cold busted. Let me put it back a little bit because I'm gonna step on the fun.
Layoff. I'll supposed to go back summer. Yeah.
It's the same shit. Pardon my French. Mr. Frazine has tried to deal with you for some time without much success. I don't really have the luxury of giving you 180 days for having a meth pipe, but you are imbued with criminal thinking.
Yep.
And it hurts my feelings when people lie to me. And you're good at it. They look you right in the eye and...
Happy birthday, Charles. Seriously. That's awesome.
Show me that phony ID.
No, honestly, I had been working there. I was going to go on layoff, but I didn't go back on the 6th.
All right.
Haven't checked stuff.
Stop. Just stop.
I will.
And then I don't know why you don't show up 2 times for Judge Pattison. He's got to deal with you. You've got 3 days credit. I'm going to order 93 days, credit 3. Then 90 days to serve. The fine is 0. I'm even waiving your attorney fee. Poor Mr. George drew this assignment.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
$125 minimum cost for 2 additional days. No probation, no testing, no nothing. Just 90 days in jail. When you get out and you start your life over again, you got married, you got a place to live. Judge Pattison will probably see you later today on the bench warrant. You can go to the officer.
I let it run so you could get the full handcuffing. I know my chat. I know my people. I know what they like.
You're going to get into
Kind of satisfying.
You need to turn yourself into jail right now.
Was Mr. Knight having problems with his camera? Okay. Oh yeah, this Mr. Knight who keep on walking around, who keep on not sitting still, who keep on not being ready to attend court. Oh yes, this is Mr. Knight. I'm ready on Burnett. This is
Yep, Judge, that's him. That's the guy, bottom right.
case number 214410901. The people of the state of Michigan versus Rochelle Renee Burnett. The defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery, and today is the date set for, what am I looking at for what's going on? Mr. Knight, I need you to be still and be ready for court. Mr. Knight is going to have to come in person next time. Today is the day set for the pretrial conference. Appearances, please, on Ms. Burnett.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of Rochelle Burnett, who appears today via Zoom. Rochelle, could you please say your name for the record?
Rochelle Burnett.
Today is the day. Ms. Burnett, I apologize. What's your middle name, ma'am?
Renee.
Thank you. Today is the day set for pretrial conference. Mr. Mugni, how are we proceeding?
So, Your Honor, it does not appear that the complaining witness, Seanquise Jacobs, is present here today. That is true. We'd like to move to dismiss based on that failure to appear.
Mr. Henderson.
Yes, Your Honor, we would ask for 1 adjournment to allow the complaining witness to appear in this case.
Today is the day set for pretrial conference. The court is going to deny defense counsel's motion. It is the first scheduling of the pretrial conference, and the complaining witness, the people have requested an adjournment to locate and notify the complaining witness of the obligation that they appear before the court. I am going to grant that request. The pretrial conference is adjourned to February the 2nd. At 8:36, the complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the complaining witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation as to why the complaining witness could not appear or should not be required to appear. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
No, thanks, Your Honor.
All right, then, Ms. Burnett, you're all set until February 2nd, ma'am, at 8:36. Have a great day and stay safe.
Thank you. You as well. Enjoy the holidays.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays. Bye now.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Mr. Estrada Jimenez, I'm ready.
You ain't got to get it. What you mean?
I'm here.
All right. This is case number 224574701, the people of the state of Michigan versus, what just happened to it? Oh. DeAndre Knight, defendant, is charged with 1 count of larceny. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
Henderson on behalf of the people, 86029.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of DeAndre Knight, who appears today via Zoom. DeAndre, could you please unmute yourself and say your full name for the record?
DeAndre Deshaun Knight.
And Mr. Estrada Jimenez, can you state your name for the record?
Yeah, Alfredo Estrada Jimenez.
Oh, I think you already said your name. I might not have been paying attention. I'm sorry. Today is the day set for pretrial conference. Mr. Mugni, how are we proceeding?
So it seems that the complaining witness has appeared today. So today, Your Honor, we're just going to set this for a final pretrial and request all discovery on the matter.
The court is going to continue a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Knight. Set the matter for final pretrial conference, March the 15th. Strike that, March 13th. That's March 13th. At 9 o'clock. Discovery should be submitted to the defense by February 13th. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Mr. Estrada Jimenez, you have appeared today. Therefore, your appearance is not required on March 13th. However, as the complaining witness, you may appear at all court appearances if you choose to. If you don't appear on March the 13th, you should contact the prosecutor's office or the victim's advocate's office to find out when the next court date is and whether your appearance is required. If it's not a trial, then most likely your appearance is not required unless it's like a bond violation or something like that, okay?
Okay.
All right, anything further for the record?
No, Your Honor.
No, thanks, Your Honor.
Then we're all set. Gentlemen, have a great day. Stay safe and happy holidays.
Thank you.
Oh, and then I might have, maybe I needed to say that Mr. Knight had to come in person, but we'll see.
Oh man, I gotta get together.
All right, like I said, it was just a quickie. That hearing, the better part was the front, but then I thought, just let it play because it wasn't that long. Let it play to the end so you see what happened. I thought, I was hoping he would talk some more during the appearance and really blow it up, but even the front end was fun. All right. I got a hearing. Thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it. I'll see you soon.